Okay, traits of a founder part 2 on popular demand. They won't carry dead weight. They won't create the future stuck in the past. They will not betray themselves. Founders will follow the highest potential when building. They will negotiate what they believe they deserve. They will solve problems for real and not be stuck behind documentation and corporate speaks and Excel sheets and P&Ls, etc. They will use time as a weapon. Before you say how, they will kind of do it, and you will never figure out by how that happened. They will run with true partners and not the fence sitters. They will read into the non-verbal and the energetic and won't feel the need to justify their sense and sensibility to you. They will have a deep creative inner life, and they will stay true to that at the cost of isolation and rejection. Being left alone is almost a blessing if the presence is just noise and not really any kind of has any truth in it. They will vanish in you sometimes without explanation when the frame of reference is diluted. They don't tolerate false intimacy. Know your lane and stay in that before you step into being anything outside of the purpose for which you've come together. Because friends and family requires an emotionality, whereas purpose requires a completely different intellectual muscle. Most true startups are divinely ordained, and the founders will follow the divine will, and the world at large will judge you for the same, and that's okay. A founder has a big heart and empathy, but they're very selfish about their dreams. They won't pay lip service to their dreams. They value imagination, and they have these fellow quest runners who are there ride and die at all times. They have their own compass and morality, and they don't really seek approval. Societal norms are really not for them. Their crown and throne is invisible and self-led first. They're not really interested in what the world tell them they are and they should be, etc. They are no victims or damsel in distress. I think it's a controlling narrative to keep a good woman down and to keep you doubtful. Founders are really good at getting out of their own past. They're very good at getting over themselves. They escape the matrix soon enough, and they kind of ignore the traditional status quo wisdom very early on. I mean, you will see these traits in childhood itself. I mean, it won't take too long. Uh, it's not a bed of roses to be a founder. It's an amazing, adventurous life. But then again, terms and conditions apply, so do it at your own risk. It has its own cost to pay. So yeah, 2 cents on traits of a founder. They're polarizing as figures. You will have extreme reactions to a founder. They will never be aloo. They'll not be universally loved. They are not potatoes. They're founders. Remember this.